What's up guys, it's your boy Glenn from Glenn Prince Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to make YouTube thumbnails using only your phone. We're gonna take these pictures and turn them into this. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is to download these two apps. So let's go to the Play Store and let's look for Canva. So type in Canva and this is the app that you want to get. The next app that we're gonna get is Ultimate Photo Mixer. So it's the third one right there. So let's get that. And let's open it up. Okay, so now what you want to do is to open up where it says background. So you have different options. Then go to the photos that you need. So I want to set this photo as my background. So here, as you can see, you can invert it. You can do whatever you want with it here. Right now, once that is set, you click on photos. And we're going to import another photo here. So I'm going to bring in the phone. And the good thing about this app is that you can crop it really easily right there. Try and crop it as close as possible. Right now, once you get that, you can play with the transparency and the feather. Now you pinch to zoom, make it smaller. I'm gonna put that in my hand. It's pretty simple to do. So we put that here, fit it just where we want it to. Now we're gonna choose our next photo. So make sure you crop it nicely. Now this might be a little bit tricky, trying to place it just right. So once it is there, you can kind of play with the transparency or the feather to make it work. My only gripe about this app is that once you start shrinking photos, what you find happening is that sometimes they go sideways and it's very difficult to get them back straight. There's no leveler with this, so you have to do it manually with your fingers. So that can be a little bit troublesome, but apart from that, this app is amazing. So I put it on there and just play with the feather a little bit so it can kind of blend in. Because that's exactly what I want. I want it to look like this message is actually part of the phone when it's being displayed on the thumbnail. Now let's get the anonymous picture. Alright, so we get that. Once again, we do a quick crop because we don't want any unwanted pieces of the photo to get in there. Okay, so we remove the transparency so we can see exactly what we're doing. We place it right where we want it. Once we are satisfied with where we have it, then we play with the transparency and the feather. It's up to you, by the way. You could do whatever you want with this. You can have it more transparent, you can have it less transparent, you can have it, you can make the picture much bigger, smaller. It's all up to you. And your background doesn't necessarily have to be white. My background is white here because I took the photo in front of a white background, so that's the only reason, but you can use it with anything that you want. So there's one more photo that I need to add, as well as text, but I'm going to use Canva to do that because it's much better to do that specific thing. This app also has other features. You have contrast, brightness, saturation. You could adjust all of that. the sharpness. You can also do that in Canva as well. You have overlays, you have special effects that you can use as if you wanted to, but I just wanted it to be a natural looking photo, so I avoided that. These are some of the overlays, and you can use the text, but like I said, the text in this app is very limited. Probably you have about 20 different options. In Canva you have almost unlimited. So what we want to do now is to export that photo so that we can use it in Canva. In order to do that, you simply click save. It will save the image, and what will happen is you will have a watermark on this because that is a free version. However, you have the option to get rid of the watermark by watching a 20-second ad, which is good. Okay, so now it's saved with no watermark. We're gonna open Canva. Okay, so Canva is now opened. Click on the little plus sign you see at the bottom right. Once we do that, you have the different options. In this instance, we are looking for YouTube thumbnail. It is 1280 by 720. That's exactly what we're looking for. So click on that. Nice. Now it's open, and we import that photo. So the first thing we want to add in Canva is text. Click on the little add icon here and click add text. So as you can see, we have many different options. I will choose this one. So get rid of that small text. So because we want the text to be as big as possible, what we will do is use two separate texts. We're going to use the first one, your iPhone is, and on the second one we'll put at risk. So as you scroll through here to see the different font options, you will notice that some of them have a little crown on them. That means that it's locked to the Pro version. But we still have a lot of options with the free version, so that's fine. Okay, so we choose this one. You can play with the spacing of the letters. You can make it as big as you want, as small as you want. I recommend big, as big as possible because it's a thumbnail, you want it to stand out. So here we change the colors, and if I select the blue, and now you have access to many different colors and many different shades as well. So I'm just walking you through pretty much every step that I went through, and just to ensure that you get it absolutely right. So the only part of the thumbnail that we're missing now is the little ZecOps logo. So let's get that. This doesn't look too bad, but you can still see that, hey, it's missing something, it's not popping, it's not really eye-catching yet. So this step is very important. So what we want to do now is to add effects. So click on the plus sign at the bottom right again, and then you will see filter. So click the filter option. Then advanced filters. Now this looks so much better. I would definitely click on that. So now what we need to do is to save it. So you click the save icon in the top right hand corner. So now you have different options to save it. You can save it as a PNG file, as a JPEG file, as a PDF file. You have these options. You do not have the option to have a transparent background though, simply because this is a feature included in the paid version. So just continue and click download, and voila. So we took these pics, seasoned them with some Ultimate Photo Mixer, then finished the job with some Canva sauce. In my next video, I'm gonna show you how to make a YouTube banner / channel art using only your phone. I will show you how I took several photos to make this and turn them into this. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Peace.